calculation of one-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA, we just work on the columns. So it is actually one way. Now we have the one-way table. Source of variation, the given sources, between columns. Here I have written between cows. There are 3 cows, 3 minus 1. Why we minus 3, 1? Because there is one parameter, that is the mu. Sigma square and another parameters. That is why we have minus this one. What is the degree of freedom? Degree of freedom is the number of observations. As there are 3 cows, 3 observations, minus 1, minus number of parameter to be studied is called degree of freedom. Again I repeat this one. Degree of freedom is the difference between the number of observations we study minus number of parameter we study. Here is the answer. Here is the mean sum of square. Mean sum of square is we divide sum of square by the degree of freedom. We get S square. S1 square. Similarly, we will write the error. 11 minus 2. 11 here. 12 minus 1. Here is very important. 12 are the number of observations minus number of the parameter, that is the 11. Degree of freedom is 11 minus 2 is 9. So here is this value. We divide sum of square by the degree of freedom. We get SS2. For F values, always divided S1 square by SS2 error. SS2 error must be in denominator. Here I written here SS2. We can also write here SSE, S square E. So here is the F value. F S1 square over S2 square. Error square will be always in the denominator. So we get the F is equal to 2.80. That is F calculated because we have made our calculations. F is 2.80 is called calculated value of F. F calculated 2.80. Now from the table values, F 0.05 alpha 2, we want to test the cows. We will use here degree of freedom of cow. That is the degree of freedom error. We will use simply say S1 square, its degree of freedom, SE square, it is degree of freedom, or S2 square, it is degree of freedom. So here is S2 6. Step 5 is very important. How to interpret the results? As F calculated less than F tabulated. If calculated value less than F tabulated, then we do not reject H0. It means mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. They are equal. So milk butterfat percentage of cow is same. So this is the question whole I have told you in very detail. Please follow it. If you feel any problem, please call me or send me a message on my WhatsApp group. Very important. We have a complete one-way ANOVA. Also, it is randomized complete blocks, randomized complete design, not block here, please. We also called it a CRD, RCD, not RCPD. Very important. How to model the CRD? It based on the observations like xi, mu parameters, xi its parameter, tau treatment. Because the values are different, so there must be error. Add all these one, it will be the model of the CRD. It is very simple model. It based on very simple observations. From the observation, we can find the mean. We have given the treatments. Values are different, so there must be the error. If we study only column or treatment, it is CRT, one way analysis of variance. If we study columns and rows, column treatments, rows we say blocks, it will be the two-way ANOVA, two-way analysis of the variance, also called randomized complete block design, RCBD. Very simple, two-way, we use the column and row, both. So for it, model x is the values, mu same here, treatment same here, error same here. Here the term should be added, that is the block. So it is the model of the RCBD. Very simple to construct the model of the RCBD. One thing I want to explain here, model totally based on the number of the observations, number of the data we have collected. For two-way ANOVA, we just add the step. Here is these are the sum of the rows. Again, 155 square over 3. This 155 is the sum of the three values. Again, this one we will get the sum of row. Here is the answer. No, SSE. Again, SSE will be not same. Here is the total sum of square. SS cow, SS row. Here is the answer of the SSE. Here is the ANOVA table for the RCBD. Two-way analysis of variance. Same between cows was the same. Between rows, this term I have added. There are 4 rows, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Error, 11 minus 2, minus 3, that is the 6. So again, we have done the same step. Mean square error by dividing the SS by their degree of freedoms. So here we have the two calculated values. Number 1 for the column, number 2 for the rows. Rows are the blocks, column are the treatment. F1 for the columns, like F1 greater than tabulated, reject H0 for the treatment, F2 for row, block, F2 greater than table value, reject H0 for the blocks. So same for RCBD, I have complete guided you for CRD and RCBD. So try remaining questions and theory about these from books and internet. Any question, students, you can send me on my WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. I also thank you very much.